What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I forgot my head mount, so I'm just gonna have to film like this for now. But yeah, dude, day with the M5. We're now just going back to back. We're just doing Hellcat M5 videos. Oh my gosh, these cars never get old, man. Dude, so freaking satisfying. I just can't believe I still haven't got over these freaking cars, bro. It's just so fun. I don't know. It's like when you work, it's just nice to have a balance, bro. When you work a lot and you only get the afternoon to actually drive these cars, you don't get sick of them. But like when I have days off and I can drive these cars all day, bro, it just you get drained low key. So it's nice to have a balance, bro. That's why I love just working hella hard and everything just feels more rewarding. Everything does, bro. But I hope you guys are doing good, man. Hope you guys are all striving for something, man. If you guys feel stagnant or don't know what to do in your life, man, any blue collar job's good. HVAC, plumbing, electrician, mechanic. But don't become a mechanic for cars, I would say. Do something that's more like industrial, like you know, working on machines, industrial machines, or even big excavators. Like those kind of jobs are way more like, there's more money there. You know, working on cars, bro, like come on. Like I would not want to pay more than $2K to do something on this car, you know? Like the field I'm in, bro, sometimes there's jobs that cost $10K. And customers can pay for it because they're making more money than they spend, so it's different. But imagine for someone paying $10K and, you know, they're using the car for personal use. That's why I got warranty on both these cars. It's literally why, because just dude, it can get expensive so quick. And for a personal vehicle, bro, or some car that's like just for fun, shoot. That's why I just gotta keep making more money, bro, so that doesn't even affect me. I just don't know how other people can afford it, honestly, bro. Dude, it sounds so good. Man, freaking love V8 foreign, bro. So what's next, bro? Next is tuning it. After I tune it, what should I do next? Should I upgrade the turbos? If I upgrade the turbos, bro, I have to upgrade the engine. It's gonna be destroying the freaking engine. Oh, there's a cop up front. That's why I love these valves, bro. Let's go, boys. We in the Canes now. Come on, pop, baby, pop. It's like right over 50 miles, so it's like a pop. No. Woo! Dude, the mountain range is perfect, dude. Being in between mountains is freaking awesome. Come on, let it pop. Oh my gosh, I'm like right at the limit and there's a car behind me, so I don't want to be like going too slow. Oh. Oh my gosh. Dude, that's so satisfying, bro. Sounds so good in the mountains. There's no car behind me, so I can actually. Oh my gosh, I'm rolling all the windows down. Oh my, it sounds so good right now. Dude, this titanium exhaust changed everything. Oh my. I'm tuning it this year. I'm tuning it this year for sure. I'm gonna say summertime. Woo! Yeah, right now I I hired one guy on my team, and I'm basically just training him 24/7. So right now, boys, like, I'm not spending any money other than business. Like right now, just focusing on growing the business. Oh my. So I'm just trying to be conservative, and then hopefully around summertime I can finally pay myself. Woo! Freaking love it, dude. And I love how this place is like only like 20 minutes away from where I live, bro. That's why I love Cali. I love where I live in Cali. Like, it's like, the ocean's 45 minutes away, city's 45 minutes away, and then I can do this. You got everything here, bro. You're never getting bored here. Oh, that was a weak shift. Super weak shift. Oh, bridge time. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. Dude, that's crazy. That's actually crazy. Never gets old. I can't wait to tune it because it's gonna be a whole different thing. Because I'm gonna try to start pushing E85 or E40. I think E40 is the tune I want to go for, and so I think I might have to upgrade. I forgot what I need to upgrade. Some kind of pump and spot. I forgot. There's like a bunch of things I need to upgrade, which is not too expensive, but it'd be definitely worth it. It's gonna change everything. I'm also probably gonna make some videos of me doing like trans oil, diff oil, because since I push this car so hard, if I do those oils, bro, this car will last forever. I've seen it on the machines I work on, and I've seen it on my friends' cars, bro. When you take care of the oil, these things last literally forever. Like, oil is everything, bro. My goal one day, boys, is like a Urus. Urus would be perfect, because Urus has the same engine as Audi, and dude, it's a write-off because it's over 6,000 pounds. So it's like the perfect write-off if you have a business. And finally, I have something I can actually, like, you know, it's not just YouTube or whatever exhaust. It's like actual, like, profitable and stuff like that. So that's the freaking goal, dude. So currently it's the next day, boys. Got busy yesterday, so I didn't have time to continue filming, but just another day. The weather's the same. It's freaking, I love it, man. I love this weather. And I hope all you guys are doing good, man. Thank you guys for the support, man. We still, you know, there was a little with YouTube, bro. It's so unpredictable, kind of, and unstable. Like, obviously my content's pretty basic, right? I'm not doing like what Mr. Beast does, so I shouldn't expect much, which I don't. But like, sometimes like analytics change out of nowhere, and you know, like, what I do basic stuff, so I expect like basic views, you know. But when it's not basic, when it's like, when I see the analytics kind of glitching out, I just like, you just can't stop uploading, bro. Because when you stop uploading, that's it. Everything falls apart. But even if you're getting low, bro, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Even if I'm getting 100 freaking views, I'm still gonna be. Oh, weak shift. I need to tune this thing so it shifts a little bit better, and then I need to get a low key. Depending on how long this transmission lasts, I'm gonna need to upgrade it low key. I want this thing to be freaking built, dude. And since now I drive this thing for work, it's worth it. I can literally write it off and everything. Even if I'm getting like 100 views per video, I'm still gonna be uploading because there's just no point to stop, bro. Like I have beast freaking cars. I have an M5 and a Hellcat Redeye. Like there's no way I'm not gonna get views, you know. And then I have some big plans. I don't want to waste money on a car, but since I actually will drive to customers, I'm thinking about buying some kind of exotic and driving it to customers, and like obviously making YouTube videos out of it too. But having a business, bro, there's so much more benefits. Perfect freaking street. Come on, pop. There we go. Oh my. The only thing I don't like about these streets, low key, bro, is like the ground is freaking chews up my tires. Man, this shift's been kind of weak, bro. It's like either shift at a certain RPM or shift's kind of funky. It's getting hot again. I low-key miss when it was cold, man. I can ride with the windows fully down. Now when I ride with the windows down, bro, I'm like sweating, dude.